Hey everyone, Matt King with the Piers Team, out here with a video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you've never visited before, it's just a simple search, Piers LLC. And while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We are out here again with another update in Garden City. As you can see, we are nearly finished getting the high-strength concrete mortar mix, which is the next to last step of our stone foundation renovation portion of this project done. You saw the video a couple days ago in the back basement area. We're finishing that up. We've got just about finished up here, so we'll let this dry, and then hopefully either late tomorrow or Friday we'll be able to just come in here and paint the walls with our dry lock, our white dry lock waterproofing paint, and really transform this basement. So in the meantime, we are getting everything removed on the floor. The sections we're going to be replacing tomorrow with new high-strength concrete. It's going to be reinforced with fiber mesh, so we'll make sure that the new sections of the floor that we re-pour are as structurally sound as we possibly can. We're going to do a little bit on this corner and then back in the other room as well. And then here later on today, we're going to be installing some 6x6s just to keep the floor joists supported. These 4 posts, we're going to be creating 2 foot by 2 foot square, 2 foot thick concrete footings. We're going to get those poured tomorrow as well. But we're going to have to saw cut first and then dig down. We're going to replace these posts with new treated wood 6x6 support beams and make sure those are properly secured into the floor joists and the new footings once those are poured. So that should all be done tomorrow as well. So yeah, Friday we are looking to be able to have everything painted. Really should be able to get a decent portion of the floor done as well. That really should be the only thing left. Other than that, we need to do some renovation work on these sections of the stairs here, the walls here. But other than that, we are moving right along, so stay tuned for more updates. You can find those again on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.